Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. All right, so today I just want to show you guys a wig that I picked up. So I was in the beauty supply store looking for scrunch socks because apparently they sell them for like $3 there. And I don't know, I just wanted to go look at the wigs and they were having buy one get one 50% off. So I did not get any lace front wigs, but I did get two wigs. I want to show you one today. So this is the wig. It's from Premium Grooming, 100% natural human hair feel, honey. And this one is in the style RSAM and the color 613. It looked cute on the mannequin, but looking at this picture, I don't know. I'm scared. All right, let's take it out the pack. I've never, as a darker skinned woman, worn a full 613 wig, so I'm very curious to see how it's going to look on me. Oh, and it comes packaged like this. That's the wig. Oh, she just comes right out. All right, so this is the wig. This is the card that comes with it. And that's how it looks on the back. Again, here's the card. I can't really see myself, so please excuse that. And this is the wig. It's a beautiful color. Yeah. All right. I turned the cap inside out. So this is how it looks. It has like a circle closure at the top. And this is the cap construction. It does have these little hooks right here. And a comb in the top. I was going for Farrah Fawcett vibes. What length is it? Does it say? Okay, so it says 100% natural human hair feel, 2 times volume, hypoallergenic, quick to style, but it doesn't say like how long the wig is. It's not human, it's rooming. I don't know. We're going to see how long she is. All right, so when I take this off my head, I need a haircut, but we're just going to, yeah. All right, let's see. Let's see how she looks. At least I have a little bit of hair for the clip to hold on to. Okay. 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 Okay, I'm trying not to freak out. I mean, I can make it work now. We can make it work. So I'm just going to comb the curls out some. Oh, wait a minute now. Wait a minute now. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Okay, so the bang isn't really laying how it should. Wait a minute now. I have no sense. And I could curl it myself as well. Hold on. Let me just brush it real quick. Oh, y'all. Let me stand up. So this is where it stops on me. So I would say it's about a 22, 24 inch. I love it. It needs some work, but oh gosh. That just came out. So there's that. Okay. And there is hair all over my lap now. So it is some shedding and some tangling. It's not really the most high quality synthetic wig, but I mean, she's cute. Baby, I know this microphone is like hating me. I'm so sorry if y'all can't hear me at times from my hair on the microphone. But yeah, this is her. Is she straight on my head? I feel like it's not. Cause what's this? What's that right there? Okay, what the other side that stopped like that? Is it, wait. Oh, it's supposed to be side bang. I'm slow. So there's no way for me to change. Ah, I just messed up my nail. So there's no way for me to change it. This is what I need right here. Okay, so clearly the bang is supposed to go this way. But I will definitely work on like the angle of the bang or whatever. So I would just rather it be like, I can't even do it. Because you know when synthetic hair, okay, wait, never mind. If I pull it down and have one side, like, where my curling irons at? Where my curling irons? Okay, so this is how the wig looks. According to the paper, what's she at? This is a very much ADHD video, so I'm sorry. Okay, so it's definitely a side part, but like mine doesn't have a defined side part like hers does. So I'm not sure. Was it supposed to go like this? Oh. It is cute. It's cute. It's cute. Oh, it's cute. It's cute. It just needs a little bit of curls added. I wish it was a little fuller. That way it could be more, like more layers in it. And y'all gonna maybe it'll get me a real 613 wig. Cause this right here, honey, this right here, it's cute. It's giving something. I don't know what it's giving, but it's giving something. It's giving. This is how it looks. It's giving I'm a stripper and my name is Chocolate, okay? Because that is my stripper name. My stripper name is Chocolate. But, oh wait, something else came out. It's a piece of thread. But yeah, I mean, it's a full cap wig. It's not a lace wig or anything. I do plan on trying some lace wigs. I just remember back in the day, I tried one lace wig from this this lace wig company. I don't even remember the name of it, but it was really popular on YouTube back in the day, like around 2010 or whatever. And it just did not work out for me. All this hair was on my lap. It didn't work out for me that well. So I'm just going to start trying wigs, like synthetic wigs, especially like this. Like I wasn't expecting for this wig to look like this. Like this. Oh, and it's still more hair coming out when I'm just like running my hands through it. But this right here, like, I'm looking at myself in the mirror. I can't even see the top of my head. It's like, okay, I don't like that you can see that. You can see the track right there. Y'all see that? I mean, I feel like it's giving storm. It's giving storm, right? Let me take this off. I feel like it's giving storm. You know how they be doing on TikTok when they hold the microphone like this? Yeah. I feel like that's what it's giving, and I am definitely here for it. I hope the audio in this video is good, but I do. Y'all see that? Oh gosh, I have blonde hair everywhere. I guess I gotta stop running my hands. I guess I gotta stop running my hands through it. But I feel like it's cute. It's a great way to try out new colors and different styles and things like that before you actually commit to it with like virgin hair. But it's definitely I'm stuttering. It's definitely giving what it's supposed to give. I don't know how much I paid for this. Okay, $613 wig. Okay, so my total came out to $62. That's including a headband. Now, I'm not really understanding what this receipt is saying, but for the 613 wig, it says 69.99% discount, $34.99 after discount price, $15, and with a general merchandise discount of $7.99. It was buy one get one half off. Okay, so I paid full price for the first one, and then I paid half price for this one. But this is definitely a wig that I think I'm going to keep in my collection because, baby, this color on my skin is giving everything that it's supposed to give. All right, y'all. I'm going to talk to y'all later. Bye.